What's up, guys? This is basically just me taking off all my gear for airsoft. The belt right here, gonna get the Y strap down so I can, get a more historical thing. Then I'm probably gonna get my dye, get some dye for this and these. Or actually, I'll just leave the pants black. But taking off my gear. Or the kit. See? Wear an overcoat. I have shorts under this. I have this overcoat and these trousers to make up the illusion of like historical thing. Then, if you're asking why there's so much tape on it, crack, and that's like partial repair. But I'm gonna get some black electrical tape, tape it all around. I'm gonna leave this part bare, and probably gonna paint this tape down, or like put some on the front side so that this will like be covered in stuff. But if I usually play airsoft, I wear this soft body armor, or not soft body armor. I mean, it functions. It will protect me, but it's like super soft. But it did stop me from, I could barely feel anything last time I used it. And then, where's my mask? My mask is somewhere where I don't know. But yeah. Let me go grab my gloves. So, I have these kind of like fingerless gloves. They're made by the same company that made this. But yeah, that's usually what I wear in airsoft games. Welcome to my airsoft side YouTube.